right, that is just 6 cups of frozen green beans cut already. Now I'm coming in with 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'll put that right on top of our green beans. I have 8 more ounces, so 2 blocks of cream cheese right in our crock pot with our frozen green beans. I have here this onion soup and mix dip. This is the best with green beans. Oh yeah, okay. Go ahead and rip this baby open and sprinkle it right into our crock pot. Now we're making a very big serving because this is for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna use both of these packages, get all of that flavoring in there. The more flavor, the better. Personally, green beans are not my favorite vegetable, so I like to dress them up and make them super delicious. And this is gonna be super easy as well. And now for some real flavor, I have some bacon that I just cooked up, and we are just gonna cut up some bacon right into there. We are making a super easy green bean casserole in our crock pot, but this is the best way to make it because you don't have to use that mushroom soup. Personally, I'm not a big fan of mushroom, so I sub the cream of mushroom for cream cheese, and it just makes it so much better. Now you could use fresh green beans or canned green beans, but I find the frozen to be the easiest, and it just cooks so nicely in the crock pot. Chopped up right in there. Doesn't that look amazing? Now this is optional, but I like a little cheese in mine. This is just some shredded Parmesan. You could totally skip this. We're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle in there. Nothing crazy. We don't want to take away from those other flavors. Perfect. Now for a seasoning, we're of course gonna put some black pepper in there. Remember, this is a huge serving. This is for Thanksgiving dinner, the best side dish, so you gotta make sure you season it properly. Those onion soups are not enough in my opinion. Now we're gonna go in with some garlic salt. Now if you're worried about your sodium, you could just do garlic powder, but I love some saltiness in my green beans, especially on Thanksgiving with that turkey and the mashed potatoes. Yummy.
Wait, garlic powder doesn't have sodium in it?
Not as much as garlic salt. Okay, now we're gonna get some onion powder, and we are gonna put some right in there. Oh yeah, this smells delicious. This is literally my favorite way to make green bean casserole. Now I'm gonna throw in some freeze-dried chives. This is also optional. I just think it goes well with the bacon and the cream cheese flavors, so that's why I'm going for it, if I could get it open. All right, so just a nice little sprinkle in there. Oh, this is gonna be so savory and delicious. You're gonna wanna make it for more than just Thanksgiving. All right, now we're almost done here. Now with that cream cheese, we do need a little bit of liquid to get that, green bean casserole texture. So I have some 2% milk, but you can use whatever milk you want. You could even use some half and half if you want it creamy or whatever. We're just gonna add about 2 cups of milk in here because this is a really big serving. Like I said, this is for your, 20, 30 person Thanksgiving dinner, and it is gonna be so good.
Wow, my parents are gonna love this.
Oh yeah, okay. That's about right, and that looks incredible. Okay, let's go ahead and put our lid on. And the best part about the crock pot is you can cook your turkey while you set your crock pot on high and let these green beans cook. Set it and forget it. All right, you guys, so it has been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on warm, and let's check it out. Oh my, look at that steam. That's what we were looking for. Let's give this a nice, good mix. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. Okay, of course, no green bean casserole is complete without some crispy onions, and I found this garlic pepper crispy onions. And we're just gonna throw that right on top, get a nice little crisp. Ooh, hope that steam will warm those up, and then this is ready to serve. Oh, the best side dish. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. I might have put a little bit too much milk in there. So if you guys try this recipe, do 1 cup instead of 2 cups. Let me grab a fork. Goodness, I mean, even with all that liquid in there, this is still gonna be amazing. That is so good, you guys. You have to try it.